that night said that I can have crepes and I can said that
Wait, you could have what?
that I can have a really good whole entire weekend.
Right, with you and Barnesy.
And you're making a video.
No, I'm not.
Let me see the camera.
No. You said I could take a picture of you and Barnesy at Ikea. Hey, what's the matter?
You said that I was gonna have a good day, like
Hoxton,
a good weekend. But I didn't.
baby, we are having a good day. And you don't want to be a spoiled brat. You're going to teach Barnesy that you're spoiled.
He doesn't even know how to talk yet.
Barnesy, do you know how to talk? He does. Barnesy is hundreds of years old.
No, he's not. He's 0 years. No.
You're hurting him. You're hurting him.
And you just messed up him.
Listen, Jackson, we made pizzas the other night, buddy. We're going to have a fun day tonight. We're going to have like Wii night. Hey, we're going to have so much fun.
Dad, look. Dad tried to help us have a good day.
That's right. Mommy's happy. She went to her furniture shopping,
And
right?
she's usually never happy.
That's not true. Mommy's happy a lot, right?
She's happy a lot. She just gets mad at when you're around a lot.
What are you doing
Dad,
to Barnesy?